how has adopting more open source impacted overall cybersecurity for DoD? Has that made y'all more secure, less secure? How has that kind of impacted the overall model?
First, you're gonna have to find me a piece of software that doesn't use open source somewhere anyway,
Yeah.
right? In a dependency or something we don't even know about. But I would say it's certainly a risk, but at the same time, it's I think massive improvement. We have eyes on code. We know what's going on. We can scan it. We can have we can have teams embedded into the upstream teams. We can push commits back to patch stuff, which we've done multiple times already on Kubernetes and multiple projects, where we find issues and we push. We have companies push back fixes. So I think it's a massive improvement of security. The key is, of course, to do what we did, which is that centralized approved set of libraries and containers. So we understand the supply chain, we understand the bill of material, the dependencies, the risk. We scan it, we centrally approve it, we centrally update it. We work with 80 plus companies to push us updates, also of their cuts or their costs. Now that's a new thing, right? Commercial open source software that companies like Confluent or Elastic, right? That brings us supported version of the open source software, and they push these updates directly to my repo automatically, centrally. I mandate that it's automated. There is no human. We have signing and integrity checks and making sure that the code wasn't tampered. We scan it. We have automation of CVEs. Once they are whitelisted for that container, then they are approved. If there's a new CVE and a new release, it's a manual review again with multiple set of eyes on the CVE, 3 set of eyes. It goes all the way to me for the final approval of each container. So it's a lot of eyes on code, and we found stuff that I can tell you even a lot of different teams in the government and outside of the government missed for years, including in some of the most used projects that everybody used, and we made them fix it. And they were mostly marking that as false positives, and it was not a false positive. So yeah, that's how we do it.
That's awesome.